Each traded security is broken down to its constituent cash flows. An optimization process is run to minimize the sum of squares of price errors weighted with the inverse of respective duration. So,
जब संडे के दिन क्लासेस होती है तो नॉर्मली ये हाल होता है।
yeah, so
ओनली
this is the file.
सर का वीडियो ऑन है, सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स ऑफ गेम ऑफ
Okay.
संडे क्लासेस।
It says central government securities and treasury bills.
35 स्टूडेंट्स एंड
WADP stands for weighted average bill price
किसी
versus
ने
the
भी कैमरा
model
ऑन नहीं
price,
किया
which
है।
is empty. So you see, these are securities, treasury bills expiring in 91 days, expiring in 364 days, expiring in 91 days, and these are all bonds. So this bond is expiring in 2000.